फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ सुधा झा। मेरा प्रोफेशन है टीचिंग। फॉर लास्ट 22 ईयर्स मैं इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ा रही हूँ बच्चों को। तो चलिए मैं और आप इकोनॉमिक्स की जर्नी की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं। Now, one important thing, body mass index, BMI. This you all have to do in your house today itself. The people who are present in your house, your mother, father, brother, sister, anyone. This is what this BMI, body mass index, actually comes and explains to us. This particular topic explains to us whether my whole body position is at a good position or I am underweight. Not unweight, I am underweight or I am overweight. Correct? Just see here. I'm making that correction right now. So here the answer should come as 18 to 25. If the answer after doing the calculation comes between 18 to 25, means from 18 till 25, they come in the normal range. It means they are good. They need not to go for dieting. They need not to go for exercise. They need not to go for healthy food so that they can increase their weight. Now formula is weight in kg. Just ask everyone in your house what is your weight in kg. Take the inch tape to measure the height in meter. Height you will mention in meter. 1.5 meter like that. हाइट का मीटर का स्क्वायर करोगे 1.5 है उसका स्क्वायर कर दोगे तो 2.25 हो गया वेट किसी का 70 आ रहा है तो 70 by 2.25 चेक द आंसर इफ द आंसर लाइज फ्रॉम 18 to 25 जिसका 18 आया वो भी नॉर्मल है 19 भी नॉर्मल है 20 भी नॉर्मल है 21 22 20 24 and 25 they come in normal range but if someone's BMI comes less than 18 then less than 18 means underweight. उसको थोड़ा ज्यादा खाना पीना खिलाओ दूध पिलाओ करेक्ट प्रोटीन फूड खिलाओ so that the weight and the height both increases both have to increase there okay but if someone's answer comes greater than 25 means they are overweight obesity they are the people who belong to the category of obesity so today your one activity is there that how many people are present in your house irrespective of their age. Don't see their age. Correct? Any age. Go with calculation of BMI. Khushi Priya. Once again, I'm explaining BMI, body mass index, to know whether the height and weight of my particular body is normal or it is underweight or overweight. How to calculate this body mass index? When I want to calculate BMI, I should take the weight in kg. I should take the weight in kg. This will become the numerator. Divide by. Check the height in meter. इंच टेप से चेक करोगे 1 मीटर होता है 100 सेंटीमीटर उसके ऊपर कितना है करेक्ट सेंटीमीटर को यू कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू मीटर डिवाइडिंग बाय 100 देन डू द स्क्वायर ऑफ द हाइट अगर किसी का हाइट आ रहा है 1.4 मीटर या 1.5 मीटर 1.5 आ रहा है उसका स्क्वायर कर दो कितना आएगा 2.25 वेट अगर है 70 तो 70 by 2.5 2.25 जो भी आपका आ रहा है हाइट इन मीटर उसका स्क्वायर करना Now check your answer. आंसर देखोगे 18 से 25 तक सभी नॉर्मल रेंज में मतलब उसको कुछ नहीं करना they are very good and very nicely they have maintained their body but if the answer comes less than 18 especially the girls who go for dieting correct if the answer is less than 18 it means you are underweight so you have to take some protein some fatty things, some carbohydrate things in your diet so that you can increase your weight and height, both the things. But if the answer comes more than 25, it means you are overweight, obesity ke shikar hai. Now you should go for some exercise. You should curtail oily foods or the fast foods so that you come in the range of 18 to 25. Now, other than this we calculated income and other criteria. Okay, according to UNDP. We move with the next topic, and that is public facilities. What is the next topic here? Public facilities. Now, just see here. When I speak about public facility, means those facilities which are given to us free of cost by the government of the country. How you will remember? The facilities which are given to the people free of cost by the government of that particular country is the public facility. For example, we sit on the railway platform and wait for the train. Railway platform is public facility. Anyone from anywhere, any part of the country can come and wait there. Not only country, even from outside the country. Why do we need public facility? Question comes to the mind. Because money what you have in your pocket, you cannot buy all the goods and services from that. We know we can buy material goods and services. But all what I have said, you cannot buy all the goods and services that you need to live well. पैसा है आप खरीद लेंगे, क्या खरीदोगे? एसी खरीदोगे, कार खरीदोगे, सोफा खरीदोगे, खाने के लिए अच्छा अच्छा सामान खरीदोगे, ये सब मटेरियल गुड्स है. ठीक, हम बहुत सारे नौकर को रखेंगे, हेल्पर को रखेंगे, ड्राइवर को रखेंगे, ये सब सर्विसेज हैं. But life doesn't depend only on this. Why? Why I'm saying money cannot buy? Just see the remaining points. Can money buy a pollution-free environment? Today we are afraid of coronavirus. पैसा फेंक दो भाई, मेरे पास पैसा है, 10,000 रुपए लो, hey coronavirus don't come and hit me. Is it possible? Not possible. Here, that is why the government has said we have to break the chain. Be inside your house. Be safe. Once you are inside your house, we are breaking the chain because we are not contacting with other people who are having this coronavirus. I want that pollution should not be there in the environment. Should I throw rupees in the sky or the space or on the tree? Then please give me a pollution-free environment. No, I cannot buy with money. It means something, the step which is taken by the government, plus the people has to help the government. Just see the next point. Money cannot get unadulterated medicines. Some medicines we get is duplicate. Sometimes we come to know because this medicine was actually not having the components which is written on it, and as it was given to the patient, still the patient's life couldn't be saved. Why? Because it was adulterated medicine. It was adulterated medicine. So I am paying enough amount of money, I'm having money, still I cannot get unadulterated medicine. This is checked, to be checked by the government. Even the people have to be alert to inform the government, this particular area you see, they are making the duplicate medicines or the tablets. So this is what the public facilities. Then, can money be able to protect us from the infectious diseases? No. Right now I gave the example in pollution-free environment also. The same thing, if an infectious disease is spreading, can we be able to protect ourselves by using money? Not possible at all. A very rich person having lot amount of money, and if I sneeze in front of his face, the virus will get inside. He will also sneeze after 10 minutes or 15 minutes. That is why we should have that type of food which increases the immunity in the body. Now, how these earlier 3 points we can have? Because see the thing I have written here, we have to work for all these things collectively. See the 4th point. Actually, for many of the important things in life, the best way, also the cheapest way, is to provide these goods and services collectively. Now we are fighting with this virus collectively. Those people who are landless laborers, who are pulling rickshaws daily, who who are casual laborers, they are unable to earn income now. So collectively, you see some people from the Gurudwara, they are providing them food to eat. Some politicians have come out from their house providing them goods and services. Somewhere, some people from the temple are also serving them. Somewhere, some NGOs are coming to help them. Somewhere, the police people are doing the duty, plus they are providing food to eat. What is this? This is not one person work. This is collective services. Correct. Now, beyond this, we need something more. What is that? We should have the adequate provision of basic health and educational facility. The health facility, which is becoming nowadays very, very costly. We should have government hospitals providing the best services to us. Very good, highly qualified doctors. They should be present. Expert nursing staff and unadulterated medicines in that particular hospitals. Educational facility. The government schools where very less number of children are moving on. Why can't we provide very good facilities there? Why people are coming out to the private schools or public schools? Same thing if it is provided by the government in the government school, then most of the people whose income is less, they can also have better health and educational facilities. Next, very important part, and this you are hearing in the news every day, PDS, Public Distribution System. The other name is Fair Price Shop, or in common, we call it as ration shop. Now you might be hearing the news that in the ration shop they are providing ration free of cost to the people who come under the category of BPL. So this PDS system, not only due to coronavirus, but throughout the year, it should work in a very good way. It should perform in a very good way. Come to the next. We should have better infrastructure, communication, and transport facility. When I'm talking to you, it means I'm having better communication system, transport systems, the railways, the roadways, the waterways, and the airways. I should have better facilities there. And the infrastructure of the school, the building, the roads, the hospitals, etc. also should be very good. Today's topic is only this much which I had to teach. And I think so every point has been made very clear to you all to understand. Now I'm moving to clear your chat. That is the doubts in the chat. The reason is I'm having very less time left for it. Very important slide. Please